Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit a photo in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on the Photopea website on my PC, and here I am at the very first screen, or the title screen, call it whatever you want. Now, to edit photos, all you need to do is open a file from your computer or create a completely new project if you wish. You can also choose some of the templates they already have, such as these ones, and all you have to do is just open them up. And if I click new project, I can select a template, or I can create a blank slate or whatever I would like. But let's say this here template, and here I can edit it however I want. As you can see, I can move the background, I can select the layers, I can pretty much do anything. Now, as you can see, it didn't select the layers. If I double click on this, then I can just edit the text. As you can see, let me just type tutorial or something like that. I could remove the background or select it using the magic wand and then just delete it. It should have been deleted, I don't know why. I can right click and remove BG, and that should process it and remove the background. As you can see, it removed tutorial for some reason. Might be because that is the selected frame in the right. I can even use the brush to color. For some reason it might not be working. Let me just try and draw on the background. This layer is not editable for some reason, but yeah, you can do a lot of different things. You can erase it. It must be rasterized, but as you can see, I can erase some things. I can eyedrop the actual color that I want to use. For example, I can crop it, elongate it, do whatever I want. But yeah, that is pretty much how you edit photos in Photopea. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.